Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Alton. I'm glad you could join me. I have something for you today that I bet most of you have never ever seen. Why don't we open up this box and take a look. All right, inside there's another box, Seiko. Let's see what Seiko it is. Huh, that is one funny looking Seiko. Okay, so as you can tell, this is not a Seiko. This is a brand new watch by a brand new micro brand named Vanbanner watches, and it is really cool. This is, I think, the first time this watch is being reviewed. I'm not going to review it today, just wanted to give you a quick look, and if it interests you, stay tuned. I'm going to size it up, wear it for a bit, and check it out. But I really dig it. I like that green seconds hand on that blue dial. It's a chunky sports watch, diver. It really is its own thing. So kudos to Vanbanner for doing something different and for not playing it safe. All right, and here it is on my 8-inch wrist. It is not sized at this point, so there is lots of slack in that bracelet, but it is a good looking bracelet. I'm gonna wear this for a bit, check it out, size it up and all that good stuff, and then I will get back to you in a little bit with a full review. Thanks a lot to Vanbanner for sending this in, and thanks to all of you for watching. Have a great one.